In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check views on your Instagram post. Before we tap around, there's one key requirement. Insights are only available on professional accounts, which include business and creator profiles. If your account is personal, you won't see detailed post analytics yet. Open the Instagram app. From the home screen, go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. On your profile grid, find the post you want to review. This can be a photo, a video, or a reel, and open it. Under the post, tap View Insights. This opens the Insights screen for that specific post. If you're checking a video or a reel, the view count appears at the top. That number reflects total plays, which can include multiple views from the same person. It's common for views to be higher than reach because reach counts unique accounts, while views or plays can include repeat watches. If you're checking a photo, Instagram doesn't provide an exact view count. Instead, you'll see metrics like likes and reach. Reach tells you how many unique accounts saw the photo, which is still a useful indicator of visibility even without a view number. As you scroll through Insights, you'll also see engagement details such as likes, comments, shares, and saves. You may see profile activity generated by that post too, like profile visits or follows that came from it. Together, these numbers show not just how many people saw the post, but how they interacted with it. A quick privacy note, Instagram does not show you exactly who viewed your posts. You'll only get aggregate numbers. Stories are different. Those show viewer lists while they're active, but regular posts keep viewer identities private. If you don't see the View Insights button, you're likely on a personal account. To switch, go to Settings, then Account, and choose Switch to Professional Account. After switching, return to your posts and Insights will appear under them. Use these analytics to spot what's working, compare reach and engagement across posts, and note which formats hold attention the longest. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.